Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So in this video we're gonna be see how to get your Wi-Fi enabled in your Linux, which is might be not supported because of your drivers not installed properly or any of the stuff. So you can see my Wi-Fi. It's all connected to my mobile hotspot. So how to get this? I have just buffering on internet for more than 6 hours, and I finally get the solution by mixing 2-3 videos and scripts. So in this video the all things are mixed up and all things are together just to provide you a proper way. So you can see it's connected to my Wi-Fi. So what I'll do, I'll just turn off my Wi-Fi to get in the way that you are. So you can see I'll click on disconnect. So this symbol might be coming on your laptop or your Linux. It's showing internet network only. Wi-Fi network might be not available at this moment. So what you have to do is you have to just connect your laptop with internet connection or a wired connection. You can see I have just turned on my USB tethering on my mobile, and it's connected to my mobile. You can use Ethernet also or the USB tethering also, both will be fine, but you need the internet connection for this process. Okay, so what next we have to do is just open the notes. Means you don't have open notes, I have written scripts over here. So and then we'll try a click Control Alt T to open terminal, or you can just open terminal simply. So we'll just make this side. Okay, so what you'll do, you have to just write here sudo su and enter. Write your password if it's not root. Okay, so you can see root at the Linux. It's our we are at the root moment now. Just copy this now, paste here, click enter, and you can see this. Just click a down key, down arrow key, and just paste this board in this. Okay, as I pasted already, and yeah, you can see, and just press that Control O to save it and click enter. File name, don't do anything, just click enter and then click Control X. You will be all back to the main script now. Okay, now we are back on our this main screen of terminal. Copy this command, next command, and just paste it over here and click enter. And guys, it's this command may take time. It's all depend on your things not installed in your PC. But I have already run this command, so you can see this process, and you can then click Y and then enter. I've already done it. I'll just Control C it to stop this, and it may take time. Just have a coffee and stuff just to pass your time. Okay, then what you have to do, CD downloads. I'll give you a download link in the description below. There will be a Wi-Fi driver link, so just download it and keep it in the download folder, and just you can see CD downloads. Then we'll write ls. You can see this compact wireless 2010 626 one. So we'll go to our download section. This, okay, so double click it to extract it. So here extract and then extract. Just quit, and you can see it's extracted all over here. We'll close this. We'll make it as it is, and then we'll write ls again. So you can see there's two options. One is extracted one is the zip one. So we'll go in extracted. You can see P here, which is extracted, and the tar.bz2 is not in the zip, it's in a zip. Okay, click enter. Then make unload, unload, click enter. Okay, then write make load and click enter. Okay, after this process you can see a Bluetooth over here. Okay, and what next you have to do is just write apt-get update. Okay, so we'll just copy this apt-get update, just paste it over here and click enter. Mine is already installed, so just wait for it. And just copy the next command, paste it over here, click enter. Then the third command, copy, paste, and the last command, copy and paste. After this done, what you have to do is just reboot your PC and you will see your Wi-Fi is always working. So that's all for the video guys. If you like this video, click on the like button. If you're new to the channel, click on the subscribe button. And if you have any video idea for me or any queries related to your stuff, so just comment me down below, or there will be a Instagram link and Instagram, so you can just DM me over there. So thank you, bye bye.